Hello everyone, Nina here. Thanks for joining me today so I could share with you how I created these cute two cards from the recent fall release of Art Impressions. So I did stamp everything from the stamp set and I did color them with Copic markers, and then to create a little barn I'm going to use the birdhouses from the season. You're going to find it linked down below. It was supposed to be a birdhouse, but for this card I'm going to use it as a barn. So I did create it from the colors of the barn. Also the door is from a barn builder, a set from honeybee stamps. You're gonna find them all linked down below. To create the background, I did cut two square backgrounds using a square die, and I just smooshed the paper, the background, against the diluted ink of Distressed inks. And then I did also ink blend two grass borders for each of the cards. I thought that the images were so many. The stamp set has a lot of images, and instead of creating one card, I'm going to create two. One is going to have the girl, the harvesting girl, and the other will be having the harvesting boy. So I did use different green shades from Distress Inks to blend and create this cute effect of the grasses. I'm going to link them down below if you want to check any of them. So I did glue the tallest grass border directly to the background, and for the second one I did put double foam tape, and then I'm going to place it. This set is available now on Art Impression website. I'm going to link it down below. So I did create this gap between both of them. First, of course, also I did glue directly on the background the birdhouse at the back. And then I'm going to bring this branch. I did color it using the same Copic marker shades that I used. Also, check down below. I'm gonna leave the blog post link, the link to the blog post where I left all the shades that I used of Copic colors. And then I'm going to place this cute little birdie, it's a crow actually, on the branch. Then this is also included in the set, the cutest pumpkin in the patch, and I did glue it directly to the background as well. Look how cute the card is. Beautiful, amazing, amazing. And then for the other card, we're basically going to do the same thing. I am going to directly glue my tallest grass border, and then to level the barn, I am going to place two scraps of papers at the top of the barn because the bottom will be raised with the grass border. Then I need to level it. I did add these papers at the back. I did use foam tape for the other two grass borders, and also for the harvesting boy. I did have foam tape, and I also leveled his legs with more paper. And then I'm going to place the crow as if it is just going to land on the barn. Look how cute it is. So beautiful. And it looks over here that the boy is actually looking at the crow. I did create this pumpkin from the die set, also the same set, the one that I had barn from, and also the leaves. And I'm going to place them where I want them to be. And then I'm going to bring a little foam strip and I'm going to place it behind them just to raise it a little bit, and I'll do the same thing with the pumpkin. I actually raised it with a scrap of paper. That's what I just saw here. So, and then here, look how cute it is. Very, very cute. The barn just made it look so amazing. Here I'm showing you how tough it is to choose the background that you want to frame around your cards. So I have many shades of orange and yellow and also red and also white. And I just before I cut, so I don't waste paper, I keep checking which one I like the most. So I think I did choose orange for one of them and yellow for the other. Let's see how it ends up. I keep checking. There's so many shades, and I was just showing part of it because it was a very long process. Each one of them is amazing, but you just want to choose the specific one that fits the best and makes a contrast. Notice the contrast between the orange and the yellow, the orange and the blue sky. Amazing. Very, very cute. And oh, I did put foam, big foam panel between the card and the background. Look at the amazing contrast between the colors and the background. It just finishes everything. And let's take a quick look on both of them. So cute. They are just amazing. I had so much fun creating these two cards with you guys today. I hope you did too. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will leave you with the images. I will see you all next time. Bye!